Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make clickable images in your Notion template using Notion widgets. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to make any image on your Notion page function as a quick link, whether it connects to a website, another page, or even a database inside Notion itself. This is a fantastic way to organize your workspace and can make navigation smoother and way more visually engaging. So, let's jump in and walk through the process together, step by step. First things first, we need to get an image into our Notion page. If you're starting from scratch, just head to the spot in your Notion where you want the clickable image to live. Type image or pull up the block menu, then select image. It's super straightforward. Now, take a moment to choose an image that actually works for your purpose. Maybe it's a logo, an icon, a favorite photo, or even an illustration that fits the vibe of your workspace. If you want your page to really pop, go for something clear and visually appealing. Upload the image from your computer or paste an image URL if you have one. With the image in place, let's talk about how we turn it into a clickable link. Hover your mouse over the image and you'll notice a little menu with 3 dots appears in the upper right-hand corner. This is the action menu for the image block. Click on those 3 dots. It can feel a bit hidden, but once you know where it is, it becomes second nature. Inside that menu, you'll see an option called Link to Image. This is where the magic happens. Give it a click, and a prompt will pop up asking you to enter a web URL, a Notion page, or even a database link. This is powerful because it opens up a ton of possibilities. For example, you could have an image of your team logo that links straight to your team's wiki page, or a project icon that opens a roadmap database. If you want to link to an external site, just paste the URL. If you're linking to another Notion page or database, start typing its name and select it from the options that appear. A quick tip here, make sure you double-check the URL or page you're linking to. It's frustrating to click something and end up at the wrong spot, so take an extra moment to confirm the link is accurate. Once you've entered or selected your destination, the image automatically becomes clickable. Now for the fun part, testing it out. Give your image a click and watch as Notion instantly takes you where you want to go. If it doesn't work right away, don't worry. It might take a couple of seconds for Notion to update. Try refreshing the page or double-check that the link is spelled correctly. And just like that, you've added a clickable image to your Notion workspace. It's such a simple feature, but honestly, it can make your pages feel more interactive and professional, like a dashboard, where everything is just one click away. You can repeat this process as many times as you want, and customize with different images and links to build the workspace that works best for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, drop me a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. And if you want more easy Notion tutorials and tips, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching and happy Notioning.